Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Robin K Designs, and today I'm going to show you this special that they have. It's a kickstart for the beginning of the year. It's called Simply Said. The transfer is You Are Enough, and you get this 10-inch. It's a kit for $34.95. You can order in my shop. They are limited with supplies. They only have about maybe a week left of them. And you get the hectagon boutique board. You get the transfer You Are Enough. You'll get single paste. They're little single. Usually you can use them for about 3 or 4 times as long as you seal them good. You get bright white, chartreuse, mint condition, and turquoise oasis, and a small squeegee. Now, the reason I'm not doing it on a hectagon board is because they're not available to us designers yet. These kits are only available to customers, and so if you want it, it's basically, if you've never done Chalk Couture before, it's really great because then you kind of get a little sample pack, and it's a good price. And I'm going to do mine on my 10-inch square board, boutique board, and of course I'm going to be using the transfer You Are Enough, and I've already used it on something once, so it's already cut up. And I'm going to be using the colors Aubergine, Cherry Blossom, Wild Berry, Honeydew, and Garden Herb. And let's see. And then of course I've got squeegees that I'm going to be using. Let me get a towel, and I'm probably don't need to do this again, but I'm going to do it like one time. And I always write on the back so I know where this will go back on at once I've cut it apart. And please bear with me, I am new to Chalk Couture designer, and I've new to YouTube. I haven't I'm not real comfortable yet with talking to the camera. And I think I'm straight on it. I'm just going to put it straight. I'm going to try to do it straight. I was thinking about doing it at an angle. Still might do it at an angle. Okay, I'm going to do it at an angle. You want to make sure that you get this all pressed down so it doesn't leak underneath. You don't want to have any bubbles in it or anything, because it'll leak underneath. And for this I'm going to use my Cherry Blossom, and I've already opened them up and mixed them up. I'll do another quick mix. And these are just makeup stirs. Just put some out there. And since it's kind of fine lettering on some of it, I'm going to get it on kind of thick a little. You can always scrape it off. The excess, put it back in. But you don't want to let it dry out. So if you get it too thin, these little spaces will dry out really fast. You want your paste to be like the consistency of, well, first they said yogurt, now they say cake batter, so. And just squeegee it back in. goes across it. So you don't want to waste any if you don't have to. You want to either pull from the side or from the top, so you don't stretch the transfer, because these will stretch. I like the way that came out. It's hard to tell that it's the pink blossom. Then I kind of just set it in a little bit of water until I can get to rinsing it, because my sink's not in my craft room. And I'm going to use a hairdryer to dry it on a cool setting. And now I'm going to put this one, I think I'm going to stick it up here. I want to be careful because I don't want to pull. Be careful, I don't want to, that's right, because I don't want to pull it up. You got some fine detail in here, so I want to get those all, make sure it's all down so it doesn't bleed underneath. And I'm going to use, I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to use the honeydew. This has got like, it's a multi-tool, so you can use that to scrape the edges in the inside and get the corners, and then you got the little tool here, like a mini squeegee on the end. Put it a little thick for right now because I don't want it to dry while I'm doing the other stuff. Okay. And then I'm going to use the garden herb. Using the multi-tool again. Okay, and then I'm going to do the rose. I'm going to use a bit of that. Just my hand up goody. Okay, I'm going to use the wild berry. And I'm going to use the Aubergine. Use a little small squeegee here to get in here. And I can scrape off the excess here. Make sure I don't mix it so I can put it back in my thing. Here. And some squeegee. I think I'm gonna see that. In there. Just gonna shit, I knew it was gonna happen. Okay, just wipe that off. Okay, I'm gonna grab it from the side and we'll see how. I think it's only a little bit of pink. And I'll dry that. So I see a few little mistakes, but it's not too bad. Okay, and then we're gonna put this one on. So there it is, it's done. I guess I could put another rose there or not, but it's done. And as I subscribe to my channel, it's a kit for $34.99, and you get all the items here. And one thing I do like about these boards is, like I did this one on this side, and then of course this one, and they'll stay as long as you leave them there. And when you decide you want to change, just spritz a little bit of water on it. Use these wonderful, I don't know what they're called, boutique boards, or boutique boards. Yeah, but they're chalkboard, or board erasers. And you just spritz it and wipe it all off. They're also great to cleaning off the back of your transfers, or to cleaning your transfers and your boards. And like I said, share my video and check out my website. It's www.chalkcouture.com/RobinKDesigns. And have a great day.